Ikaw, siya na.
Dudoy.
Regan, ikaw pagkin.
It is always in the heart when one can say rightly, what is essential is invisible to the naked eye. Allow me to borrow your precious moments as I express my oozing appreciation. And I always believe that gays are a special creation of God with extraordinary quality. We may appear to be different, but still we possess quality that we will have a great benefit to humanity. Ladies and gentlemen,